Welcome to 5015 Eaglebrook Court in Fairmont Hot Springs, BC.
It's late and I'm awake, staring at the wall. Open up my window, head floats out the door. No one else around, but a shimmer takes my eye.